Momshies, I'm back. So today I'll be cooking chicken afritada on my crock pot. So we have here like 5 pieces of chicken. We have 2 pieces of medium-sized potatoes, 3 pieces of medium-sized carrots. We have 1 can of sweet peas, 2 small cans of tomato sauce, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 plum tomato, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 3/4 cup of raisins. Alright, let's start! So our chicken is inside the pot, and let's add our tomato, onion, garlic, ground pepper, fish sauce, and half a cup of water. Alright, let's add our potatoes, carrots, raisins, and tomato sauce. Our chicken afritada is ready. This is tonight's dinner. Thanks, Momshies, for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!